In this session, let us talk about branches of accounting. Branches of accounting, we can have say 5 branches. The first branch being financial accounting. Financial accounting is concerned with recording, identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing financial transactions so that meaningful interpretations can be made. So financial accounting focus is identifying the transactions, record them, classify them in such a way that you will be able to prepare what is known as financial statements. And when you prepare financial statements, you will be able to know whether your business is making profit or suffer loss, and what are the assets, liabilities. That is basically the financial position of the business. Okay, so the ultimate focus of financial accounting is to have records in place so that financial statements can be prepared and overall business position and performance can be measured. Then the second branch we say cost accounting. Cost accounting is concerned with identifying, collecting and recording information with an intention to arrive at the cost of product or service. Okay, so the ultimate focus of cost accounting is to arrive at cost or service. And why do we do that? Basically to monitor, to control, to say improve the overall profit. How? By focusing on cost, by identifying the areas where the higher cost can be avoided. Okay, all these are made possible by having cost accounting system in place. Then comes the third branch, management accounting. Management accounting takes information from both financial accounting and cost accounting, and this will present information to the management in such a way that they can take decisions, strategic decisions, which will decide the future, which will decide the overall performance of the business entity. Okay, then fourth one we have social responsibility accounting. Social responsibility accounting, this is prepared from point of view of the society as to what is the cost and benefit. I mean, cost to the society can be the damage, the pollution and all what they create, and the benefit to the society can be the infrastructure which they are creating for the society. Okay, so all those get captured under social responsibility accounting. And finally we also have human resource accounting, HR accounting. So this would involve identifying the human resources, how many of them have been trained, okay, and what is the overall benefit you have created for human resources. All those will get captured under human resource accounting. So basically we have 5 branches for accounting: financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, social responsibility accounting and human resource accounting.